how to change your username and display name on Twitter. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username or your display name on Twitter. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you want to do is open up the Twitter app, then click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Then next, click on Profile. So here I am in my profile, so I'm just going to click on Edit Profile. And here you can see my username is Tips for Noobs. So I can change this if I would like, just by tapping in it and making any changes that I would like. Change my name to that, and then I'm going to hit save. And as you can see, my name has now changed from Tips for Noobs to tips.for.noobs. Next, if you'd like to change your username, which is the name underneath your name where it says @tipsnoobs, firstly what you need to do is go back to the home screen, then click on your profile picture. Scroll down where it says Settings and Privacy. Next, click on your account, then Account Information, and here you can see Username. Click on that, and now here I can change my username to something else. So this username is already taken. Let's see if I just type in anything. Okay, so then if I wanted to change my username to this, and you can see above its current is Tips Noobs, and new would be this name. Just click on Done, and it's going to change my username. And that's all it takes to change your name or your username on Twitter on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.